Hello everyone, this is Mridula Bhaskar and welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? So here I am with the second video in the brush series, and today we're going to talk about concealer brushes. All the different kinds of concealer brushes that I have come across, spot concealing, under eye concealing and highlighting the face. So we've got it all. So I'm so excited to make this video for all of you. But before we jump into the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you're notified whenever I post a video. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My page's name is @MruStudio and you'll have the link down below in the description box. So let's jump into the video right away. Let's go. So today I do have a set of concealer brushes which are going to serve a lot of purposes for all of you. You can use it to apply foundation as well if you're comfortable with doing it. But I absolutely love these brushes, may it be for professional use or personal use. These are the brushes that I go for. I think I have two sets of each of these brushes so that it comes in handy whenever I'm doing makeup. The first brush from this series is going to be the Cuffs and Lashes brush number F011. A beautiful concealer brush. It fits perfectly under the eye. It's perfect for highlighting. It's not very densely packed, not very loosely packed, and it's got a nice angle to it. This is a synthetic fiber brush, so it's perfect for any liquid concealer and it's one of my favorite brushes. Next up, I have two brushes which are very similar to each other. One is from Cuffs and Lashes. Other one is from Pro Arte. It's very similar to each other and it serves just the same purpose. These both look like blending brushes, but this particular brush from Pro Arte is meant for concealing. It's got real hair and it's a very nice brush for concealing, especially if you want to get a sheer coverage of concealer. It's very nice. And this particular brush from Cuffs and Lashes is the E005 brush. It's perfect, just similar to the Pro Arte brush, but it's a nice brush to blend out the concealer. This is an eyeshadow blending brush, but I do like eyeshadow blending brushes for concealer, especially if it's synthetic fiber. It works perfectly well. So both the brushes are pretty similar to each other and I really love both the brushes. So that's the brush number 2 for all of you. Next up, I have a beautiful brush from PAC. This is the 074 brush. It's very densely packed and it's like very perfectly sized bristles. Very beautiful bristles this particular brush has got. It's perfect for concealing under the eye, and if you want full coverage, this is the brush to go for, especially when I'm working on my brides and if they have a lot of pigmentation under the eye and I want to place the concealer in the right place. It could be for cream, it could be for liquid, it could be for any product. This is a perfect brush. It's a beautiful brush, one of my favorites, especially for bridal makeup. Next brush is going to be a brush from Puna store. This is the angled shadow brush. It doesn't have a number, but it is like this. It's very loosely packed, okay? It's very loosely packed, and this particular brush is part of a set which is I think some 350-400 rupees, but it's beautiful for blending concealer, especially if you want a very thin sheer layer, especially when you're working on very textured skin or skin which has a lot of wrinkles. This is the brush to go for, and if it is a liquid product, this will blend it beautifully. So this is the brush to go for, especially for under the eye where there are a lot of wrinkles. If you're working on clients who are a little older, and this particular brush will go perfectly blend out all the concealer under the eye. So I love this particular brush. Next up, I have this brush from Pro Arte. I love the name of this brush. This is AK-63. It's like a gun. So it's a beautiful brush again. It's very densely packed and it's pretty long, the bristles, and it's got an angle to it. So I can go into the corner like that and blend out. I can go into the crevices of my nose and blend out. I can go around the mouth. There is precision. At the same time, the bristles are a little long. So it's very beautiful to blend out even foundation if you really like it. So this is a beautiful brush from Pro Arte. You can have a look at it. So yes, this is a beautiful brush and I love using it. I've been using it a lot of late for my concealer. So this brush is too good. So next I have a brush which is PF02 from ProArte again. This particular brush is very small, very thin. I'm just going to turn it around. See how thin this brush is. It's perfect for placement of the product and blending out liquid products especially. This is not synthetic fiber, it is real hair. So it is very difficult to work with this brush if you don't have experience working with a particular brush like this. But for professionals who have a lot of experience, this brush is very nice, especially when you have to buff out the foundation and place it correctly. Once you keep blending out, it gives a very seamless finish. At the same time, you can use this particular brush for foundation, concealer, highlighting concealer, for placing your liquid contours, and if you're using a liquid highlighter, everything can be placed with this particular brush and blended out beautifully. So this is a multitasker brush, but I did put it under the concealer brush because it's very small. It can be used for many things but serves the best purpose for concealer. So yes, my dear friends, that was today's video about concealer brushes. I hope you're enjoying this series and I hope you're able to understand what exactly we're going towards. I'm showing you a lot of brushes not because you have to purchase all the brushes, because I want you to know what kind of brush can be used for what is good for personal use, what is good for a professional use. That is the whole reason why I'm making these series of videos, and I hope you all are enjoying it and that you're learning something from it. So I'll see you all in another video, and before signing off, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post a video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with all your friends. It could be for personal use or professional use, makeup artists, share it so all of you can learn together. So I'll see you all in another video. Take care. Bye-bye.